What is up, everyone? This is FNH here with a brand new video to talk about the Tonor Mic TC777 USB condenser microphone. Been a while since I did a review on this channel, so I've actually been using this mic for a while, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing, and then I want to do like a test tutorial to show you what this mic is, how it is, the price point, and everything, and take it from there. So I got this mic from Amazon. I got this for $40, so it was a really good price point. Nothing too crazy on the box, just those little things over here. And again, it's just a quick unboxing to show you like what comes into the box. So we had the condenser pop up, a pop filter come up with this mic when purchased. There's a instruction manual as well as a 2-year warranty replacement card, which is really cool. I really love it when companies do this. They'll resolve your technical issues, any packaging issues, all that other good stuff. And then, yeah, you can basically reach out to them and then get your things resolved. Now, to talk about the mic itself, or just to show you the mic itself first. So it is a little bit heavy, which is, I guess, understandable. And I'm going to do like a comparison video of this like against the Yeti. So we're going to do like a review against that. So it comes with a stand, which is really nice. You can see the mic is over here. It's a condenser mic. It's really good for YouTube gaming videos and podcasting. I've used it for podcasting a few times, and I've personally really liked it. I like the quality and whatnot. You can see over here, I really love this, how I can put a pop filter right here. The table where I make my YouTube gaming videos and podcasts, it doesn't have a hard enough thing on the side, so my pop filter doesn't clamp on. So this is really cool that it's on top of the thing itself, where you can easily just put this on, and then you'll literally have the pop filter up and ready to go. So you can literally see how quick and fast that would be for you to basically get your pop filter in there, and voila. So let's just roll it up, boom. You now literally have a pop filter right there. That's so cool. And then again, this comes with this. Again, the thing is, the Yeti does not come with any of those things, so those are extra costs on the side. And the Yeti costs about like $100 to $150 depending on the color and whatnot, what you're buying, where this was $40. So the price point is really good for the quality and the mic that you're getting from like a premium product such as the Yeti. And not to say the Yeti's not good, obviously that's my go-to mic. I personally use that a lot as well. But again, this one, for the price point, especially if you're trying to get into podcasting or into gaming or YouTube gaming and whatnot, or even YouTube itself, this is a very good, good budgeted, good price point product to go for that high quality that you're getting. So I would recommend you to test this out. Now we're gonna move on to the testing phase, so I'll see you at my computer. So this is me doing the testing from the Blue Yeti microphone. As you can see, I'm currently using a mic condenser, but there is no pop filter on the Blue Yeti. So we are doing the tests. 1, 2, 3. So this is how the audio quality will sound like on the Blue Yeti. Now we will do a comparison with the Tonor mic. So this is me doing the testing on the Tonor TC777. You will probably hear a slight difference with maybe this one picking up a little bit more of background noises than the Yeti. Again, significantly higher premium product there, but in terms of podcasting, getting the gain at the right setting, putting it all in the different information, you will be able to get a good sense with this exact tool. Now the Yeti was already changed up to have the right gain and whatnot, but this is at its pure base preference on how I'm currently using the Tonor. Quality is very nice and crisp, as you can see. Just certain tweaks need to occur. Okay, cool. So you guys saw the overview, or I guess the review or testing between both of those mics. Obviously, you can make a judgment from yourself from there, since again you got the good overview. But yeah, overall, I do hope this review was helpful and informative for you guys. All the links will be in the description below for you guys to check out if you want to buy these and whatnot. So yeah, definitely check them out in the description below. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. If you want me to do more reviews on this mic, or you want me to do like some other form of testing, or whatever the case may be, let me know in the comment section below. But other than that, FNH out. Peace.